In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Jurassic World on Xbox or Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. LEGO Jurassic World is available for many different platforms, including Xbox consoles. So if you want to play it, all that you have to do is purchase it through the Microsoft or Xbox store. I'm gonna teach you how to do it through the Xbox website, but you can absolutely follow along through the Xbox or Microsoft store directly on your console. Open it up and use the search function to look for LEGO Jurassic World. In the results, you should be able to see it right away. If it doesn't pop up, make sure that you remove any unnecessary boards and you will be able to see it here, LEGO Jurassic World. Now, the game is normally $19.99, but it is on sale during the time that I'm recording this video for $3.99. It has a free demo, so if you would like to try out the game before purchasing it, you can also find the free demo here, which will include a small cut of the game for you to try, and it is going to work for Xbox One or new-gen Xbox Series S or X. You will see a bunch of screenshots here. So before you purchase the game, you can see these screenshots, read reviews, and after you purchase, you will have full access to it. As you can see on the languages supported, it seems like it has only English for audio interface and subtitles, but you might be able to find other different languages here. So all that you have to do is purchase the game and you will be able to play through the entirety of the story. It supports local multiplayer, so if you have an additional controller, you can play with someone else sharing the same screen. They will list all of the game features here, and if you scroll down, they have some add-ons that you can purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Jurassic World on Xbox or Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.